Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Nursery, and our today's topic is Tanween with double Jabar from To to Ya. That means To is over ton, from To is over ton to Ya is over yan. Okay, my dear students, today is our lecture number 6 and is W number 6. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with double Jabar from To to Ya. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 14 Arabic. Here I have written 14 Arabic alphabet. Now we will keep double Jabar on every alphabet. My dear students, you know that double Jabar have to keep over the alphabet. So my dear students, now I am keeping double Jabar. Okay, now I am giving double Jabar over the To. Now you have to pronounce this one. My dear students, you have to pronounce this one. To dui Jabar ton. Now, my dear students, I am giving double Jabar over the The. Then you have to pronounce this one. The dui Jabar dhan. The dui Jabar dhan. You have to pronounce the very softly. The, like the. Then my dear student, this one is, you know that I. Now I am giving double Jabar over the I. Then you have to pronounce this one. Ain dui Jabar an. Ain dui Jabar an. You have to pronounce this alphabet from the middle of the throat. Ain dui Jabar an. Then this one is, my dear students, Goin, not Gain. Goin. This one is Goin. Now I am giving double Jabar over the Goin. Then you have to pronounce this one. Goin dui Jabar gon. Goin dui Jabar gon. Now you know that this one is Fa. I am giving double Jabar over the Fa. Then you have to pronounce this one. Fa dui Jabar fan. Fa dui Jabar fan. Then my dear students, this one is Qaf. Qaf, not Kaf. This one is Dui Noktawala Qaf. Now I am giving double Jabar over the Qaf. Then you have to pronounce this one. Qaf Dui Jabar Qan. Qaf Dui Jabar Qan. And my dear student, this one is Kaf. This one is Kaf. Moddo khane pechano Kaf. Now I am giving double Jabar over the Kaf. Then you have to pronounce this one. Kaf Dui Jabar Kan. Kaf dui Jabar kan. And my dear students, this one is Lam. I am giving double Jabar over the Lam. Then you have to pronounce this one. Lam dui Jabar lan. Lam dui Jabar lan. Yes, my dear student, this one is Mim. I am giving double Jabar over the Mim. Then you have to pronounce this one. Mim dui Jabar man. Mim dui Jabar man. Now this one is Noon. I am giving double Jabar over the Noon. Then you have to pronounce this one. Noon dui Jabar nan. Noon dui Jabar nan. Then this one is Wow. I am giving double Jabar over the Wow. Then you have to pronounce this one. Wow dui Jabar one. Wow dui Jabar one. This one is Ha. Ha, not Ha. This one is Ha. I am giving double Jabar over the Ha. Then you have to pronounce this one. Ha dui Jabar han. Ha dui Jabar han. Han. Now this one is Hamza. You know that Hamza. I am giving double Jabar over the Hamza. Then you have to pronounce this one. Hamza dui Jabar an. Hamza dui Jabar an. And my dear students, you know that this one is, our last one is Ya. I am giving double Jabar over the Ya, and you have to pronounce this one. Ya dui Jabar yan. Ya dui Jabar yan. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have learned today Arabic alphabet with double Jabar from Ta to Ya. And my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home as SW number 6 from Ta to Ya. My dear students, you will make SW at your home Arabic alphabet with double Jabar with Tanween from Ta to Ya. Ta to Ya, and you will make SW at your home like this pattern. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.